Please make sure you have the new formulas that I sent out to you yesterday or have posted on the web. Today we're going to do 5.5. We'll do day 1 and we'll just go ahead and do example 1. Our goal for the day is that we will be able to evaluate expressions using, the double angle formulas. I was already writing the double before I finish using angle formulas. And so you have those formulas there in front of you. And so we're going to start with this kind of like we started a few other things. So we're going to start with this by drawing a triangle or drawing theta in the correct quadrant. So we have done this 3 different times. So hopefully this becomes no problem. And then, so we're going to draw theta. Then we're going to create a right triangle with the x-axis and solve for a missing piece. So this should seem pretty familiar. And then finally we will plug into formulas and evaluate. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is, if we have given sine of theta equals 3/5, and then it tells us theta is between pi over 2 and pi, we want to find cosine of 2 theta, sine of 2 theta, and we'll go ahead and find tangent at 2 theta as well. I'll do an example with all 3, and then I'll give you one your turn, but this is going to be a little bit meaty. So first of all, sine 3/5, pi over 2 to pi, that's in quadrant 2. We're going to draw our triangle. Whoops, there's theta. Right angle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Oh, Miss Dunbar, you were so nice. This is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. But beware because, this is a -4. We are in quadrant 2 and the x values are negative. So now we're just going to plug into our formulas. Sine of 2 theta is 2 sine cosine. So then we just do 2, and then sine is 3/5. We already know that. And cosine is -4/5. And then we multiply. 2 times 3 times -4, so it's -24 over 5 times 5 over 25. And that is sine of 2 theta. Cosine of 2 theta, you will notice there are 3 different formulas for cosine. And you get to pick the formulas. I'm going to pick the one that is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, because that seems, they gave us sine, so why not use that one? So we go 1 minus 2, and then this squared would be 9 over 25. So I'm going to write this as 25 over 25 minus 18 over 25. And so the answer is 7 over 25. Yay? And you could pick any of those 3 formulas for cosine, and they will all give you the same answer. For tangent of 2 theta, we can use the formula as well. And tangent of 2 theta is 2 times cosine, which is, or 2 times tangent, which is -3/4 over 1 minus tangent squared, so -3/4 squared. And so this turns into -6/4, and then I'm going to write this as 16/16 minus 9/16, which turns into -6/4, 16 minus divided by 7/16. Oh, Gina. And so then we will flip and multiply, and we get flip, multiply, simplify, because the 16 and 4's cancel, so it becomes -24/7. If you have already found sine and cosine of 2 theta, then you can use a formula. Tangent is sine of 2 theta divided by cosine of 2 theta. So you could also use tangent of 2 theta is sine, which is -24/25, divided by cosine, which is 7/25. And then when you flip and multiply that, what do you know? You get -24/7. So if you're asked to find all three, I don't care if you use a tangent formula or if you go ahead and know, oh, tangent would be sine over cosine. So I'm going to give you a your turn. And that is what we are doing today. So for the your turn, we'll go green. Given tangent of theta equals -5/12 and theta is between 270 and 360 degrees. Oh, we are not on the screen. Someone should have said something. I'm sure you were. Sorry, guys. I'm going to have you find tangent of 2 theta and cosine of 2 theta. So you're not going to have to find all three. Go ahead, pause the video, give this a shot, see what you get. All right, so your first thing is to draw the triangle. The triangle's in quadrant 4. Here's theta. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so 5/12, and in this case, this is negative. This is a 5, 12, 13 triangle. I didn't actually have to solve for it. To find tangent of 2 theta, tangent of 2 theta is 2 times tangent over 1 minus tangent squared, which is -10/12 divided by 144/144 minus 25/144. This becomes -10/12 divided by 144 minus 25, 119/144. Then we'll flip and multiply. So -10/12 times 144/119. 12's cancel. And my final answer is -120/119. That is tangent of 2 theta. Cosine of 2 theta. I'll do the 1 minus 2 sine squared times 25/169, which will be 169/169 minus 50/169, and the answer would be 119/169. And that is all you need to do. So go ahead, give these a try, and have a great day.